Good morning, welcome to Miranda Detailing. So today we are detailing this Corvette Stingray, and this is going to be one of our express details. We maintain this quarterly, and it's really not in bad condition at all, but we're going to go ahead and clean up the exterior, and it's just going to be a basic wash, and we use a polymer spray wax for the exterior, clean up the wheels and the rims, and or the tires, and then just do a basic interior vacuuming, dusting, wipe down. So let's take a look at what we have in store today. Okay guys, the Vette is done. So again, it really wasn't too bad. The only things that need to be cleaned was the wheels and the exhaust pipes in the back, and of course the paint needed to be cleansed and protected with our polymer spray wax, and the interior needed a dusting and light vac, but that's about it. So let's take a look at the afters. So thanks for watching guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to comment if you have any questions, please put them down below, and I will try my best to answer all of them. And please share, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.